You see this glass full of dust? It is among the most disgusting thing around us. And there is a myth that dust is made up of 80% dead skin cells, but it's just a misconception. Instead, it mostly contains pollen, soot, carpet fluff, cloth fiber, pet hair, and of course the dead skin cells. Now the question is where I got this much of dust from. A fridge. This is where I got this dust. The air passes through this ventilator and the dust in it gets trapped on radiator. This way it works as air filter. This much of dust has been collected in just 6 months, and if you don't clean this dust it will affect the efficiency of refrigerator. So after all I have got this much of dust. It don't weigh much, but it's too much. So now the question is, what is this dust made from? Let's see it under the microscope. As you see, it mostly contains fibers from cloth, hair and small particles, which is skin cells, soil, etc. So the debunkers debunked not 80%, but still there is a significant amount of skin cells, and it depends upon members living in the house. This dust is not only from the earth but also having cosmic particles too. If you want to see a detailed video on dust particles, check out the video of veritasium from the link given in the description. Okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.